To search for books in the library, you need to use the library catalogue. The NUST library catalogue can be found on the main page at library.nust.na. Scroll down a little bit and you find the search box over here. You can type in your search keywords immediately over here and press search, or if you want to go to the Encore main page, just click the search, leaving the box blank. The advantage of searching from the Encore page is that you have an advanced search option. If you know the book's title or the author's name, advanced search can be one way to make the search a little bit more specific. But leaving it in basic search mode, we can type in our keywords. Make sure the spelling is correct, otherwise you won't find what you're looking for, and click on the search button. Here you'll find the results list listing all the items that the catalogue has found. These are all the items that contain the word linguistics, and we see we have 315 of them. You can scroll down the list and read the titles. If a title looks interesting, you can click on it and get a more complete record. Additionally, in the more detailed record, you can find information like summary and ISBN numbers, but most importantly, you will see the location information. Location information, for instance, if it says main, this means the main library in Windhoek. Short loan means it is in the short loan section and can only be borrowed for a few hours at a time. Also, if it's in other towns, it will say, for instance, on Godiva, open shelf. To find it on the shelf, you need to use a Dewey shelf number, and this you can see over here. So this will tell you exactly the location on the shelves. Ask a staff member to help you if you can't get the book. If it says available, that means the book, according to the system, should be in the library at the moment, and you should be able to get hold of it. That is just one example. Let's go and look at another example. If we look at this one, for instance, instead of saying available, it gives you a due date. This means someone else has borrowed the book, and you have to wait until it is returned before you can read it. However, if you want to make sure that you have first access to it when it is returned, go up here to request it, click there, put in your details, and as soon as the book is returned, you will be notified and you can come and borrow the book. Another important thing to remember about the catalogue is you can actually log in. Once you have logged in with your basic student information, you are able to see information like how many books have you borrowed, when are they due back, and you can even possibly renew them online.